Okay, this review is for the Growstar S600. It's the 600 series by Growstar LED grow light. I was asked to review this, and I'll give you an honest review of it, and we'll see what this thing can do. So first of all, I want to tell you, I got it through Amazon, and it took me 1 day with free shipping through Amazon Prime to get this. So that's a plus. I mean, I got it in less than 24 hours. I got it early this morning, so that's a plus. Let's open this thing up and see what it does, or what it looks like rather. First thing you get is a user manual, and this will tell you I guess everything you need to know. I haven't had a chance to read it yet, but I will. Okay, this includes the actual light, hanging kit, a power cord, and the user manual. This gives you the spectrums, all the specs for it. This is how much par you get by the inch. At 36 inches, you're going to get 240. I'll be hanging it somewhere around the 24 to 36 inches to get it above my troughs, so that I can get, so I can cover more of the area. So that's what it looks like. There's the power cord. There's the power cord. That's the hanging kit. More of the hanging kit, I guess. And the actual Growstar light. Can you see that? And these are all the LEDs. And on-off switch, power cord. So there you go. That's what comes with it. You get the cord, the hanging kit, the actual light itself. It's an attractive light. And that's the back. Got two fans to keep it cool. An on and off switch. Power cord plug-in. And something else. I don't know what that is. We'll figure that out though. Okay, the hanging kit works like this. There are these little places on the bottom here where you can clip in each of these 4 clips that are all connected by that cambiner at the top. And then this is the adjustable, hold on. This cord connects to that cambiner, and that's an adjustable clip that you can hang. Whoop. Let me put this over here. This is an adjustable clip you can hang. This has a lock, so you can adjust it to whatever height you need, and you can release it by pushing this little clip here down and letting the string come out. If I can get it where you can see it here. Oh, you pull it this way, pull it towards the clip, and that string will come out. Nice. Anyway, that's how that works. Pretty sturdy. So far I like the setup. Alright, I've got it 36 inches, 36 above the growing surface, and that is actually supposed to cover 4 feet, 4.5 feet, I think, by 9 point something. Anyway, I'll put those in the description. We'll see if this will cover about 4 or 5 of these troughs, and we'll compare it to what's going on right next to it over here, because these will not get that. All right, I wanted to give you a quick update on the Growstar S600 with the CREE, the CREE LEDs, and the Cobb chip on board architecture is providing better coverage than any of the other lights I've ever used here. The thing covers a 10-foot section, about 6 troughs, from about here to about here. You can see the difference in what's growing here than what's over there. That area was all planted the same time as this. That light gets a thumbs up. Thanks, Growstar. I'm going to tell you too, that spot on the back of this, couldn't figure out what it was. That is in fact how you daisy chain these together. So you can hook one to the power source and subsequently hook another one to it, another one to it. I don't know how many you can go out, but you can daisy chain that light. All right, well, that is approximately about 30 to 35 inches above the top of the plants here, and you can see how many troughs this covers. It actually covers almost all the way out to the very front, and within about maybe 8 inches of the back, that's 10 feet. So it does a pretty good bit, almost 10 feet, and it covers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, almost 10 troughs this way too. So it covers a pretty good bit, and it's definitely outperforming the control over here. Well done, Growstar.